you? Oh my god. Yeah, Abu Dhabi market, 398 dirham in crabs. It's a South Korea crab. 198 lobster, African lobster. It's very expensive, 299 lobster. We have a snail, Chinese snail, 128. Oh my god, 85 on the live crayfish. 4 eating dinner if you want shrimp, 138 the price. Oh my god. The all items on from 28 39 the crab. यार मैं तो डर गई. Just I'm very afraid. Like, oh my god. ये सांप है यार. Fresh Bangladeshi snail.